This is a video to demonstrate the Cosmic Numbers app. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app.
Cosmic Numbers, beta. Cosmic Numbers, start, button.
I'm going to start by double tapping.
Choose your level.
Choose your level. There are now 8 levels in the Cosmic Numbers app. Let's take a look at level 1.
Level 1 tutorial. Starting in the bottom right corner of the iPad, drag your finger around to locate the next button. Keep your finger on the screen and split tap to select it. Split tap by keeping one finger on the item and tapping on the screen with another finger.
So in each level you have the option of a tutorial. If you want to skip the tutorial, there is a button for skipping it. The tutorial is an interactive tutorial and it teaches you how to play the number line game. So this one is just showing you that the next button is in the bottom right. And we're encouraging kids to find that bottom right corner using the physical edge of the iPad, drag their finger around, and then do a split tap. Drop a second finger down.
Next, dimmed. Starting at the top left corner of the screen, drag your finger in a straight line down along the left side of the screen. Split tap when you hear the tick sound.
So now on the screen it's displaying a number line or a line with some tick marks above it. We're going to drag our finger in a straight line down the left side of the screen until we hear the first tick. Now notice right now in this version the number line does not go all the way over to the edge, so you have to be just slightly off the edge. And again, as your students learning, you can have them put their thumb on the physical edge of the iPad and drag their finger down. We're listening for a tick.
Tick.
There's my tick. Now, when I find the tick, it says to do a split tap, so I can drop any finger. I'm going to go ahead and drop my thumb down. Notice I'm still holding on to the tick. I have not raised my finger. I'm going to do a split tap.
Tick. You found a number line. Now drag your finger in a straight line to the right, following the tick marks on the number line. Split tap when you hear the last tick.
Okay, so I'm going to find that first tick again by dragging my finger down.
Tick.
There's the tick. Now I need to go in a straight line across to the right till I find the last tick. And again, with my hand, it's really easy to put my thumb on the physical edge if I need to have that guide in order to do a straight line.
Tick.
That's another one.
Tick.
Another tick.
Tick. Tick. Tick.
And if I keep going, I hear the thunk, 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 meaning that I am off the number line. I'm at the end. I can also tell that I'm physically close to the right edge. If I don't drag in a straight line, if I drag down, I also hear the thunk, thunk, thunk that I'm in empty space. So I'm going to start at the first tick, quickly drag across.
Tick. Tick.
And I'm going to split tap.
Tick. Now split tap the next button in the bottom right corner.
All right, let's find that next button. And split tap.
Dimmed. Directly below each tick is a number. This number tells you where you are on the number line. Drag your finger in a straight line down from any tick and split tap the number.
Okay, so I'm going to find the first tick. Dragging my finger down the left side.
Tick.
There's my tick. Now I'm going to come straight down to hear what that number is.
0.
Ah, this number line starts with a 0, and I'm going to split tap that number.
0. Now drag your finger to the right, listening to all the numbers. This number line ranges from 0 to 5. Split tap when you hear number 5.
All right, so my range is 0 to 5. That's important to know. So I'm going to drag
tick.
down.
0.
There's my 0. I'm going to hear all the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And I'm going to split tap.
5. Good job. Now split tap the next button. Next. Next. Dimmed. Astronaut Tommy is on a tick mark. Find the first tick mark, then drag your finger to the right to find Astronaut Tommy. Split tap on him when you find him.
All right, I'm looking for Astronaut Tommy. I'm going to start on the left side, bring my finger down till I hear the tick. There's the first tick, which I now know is 0.
Tick. Tick. Astronaut Tommy.
Ah, so I could have counted from 0, how many ticks over, or I can drag my finger
3.
down. 3 is directly below Tommy.
Tick. Astronaut Tommy.
Yep, that's a 3, so
tick.
I found him. I'm going to split tap.
3. 3. 3. Tick.
Oh, split tap on Tommy.
Astronaut Tommy. Astronaut Tommy. Now, drag your finger down directly below him to find his number. Split tap when you hear his number.
Ah, I was ahead of myself, so I found Astronaut Tommy. I'm going to drag down to find the 3. I'm going to split tap on 3.
Great. Now that you know how to find Astronaut Tommy and his location, split tap the next button for the final stage of the tutorial. Next. Button. Next. Dimmed. Find Astronaut Tommy. Then find the number below him. Split tap the number.
All right, so let me do that again. I'm going to find Tommy.
Tick.
Tick.
Tick. Tick. Astronaut Tommy.
There he is.
Tick. 3.
There's the 3.
3.
Aha.
Number buttons are in a horizontal row along the bottom left of the screen. Drag from 0 until you find the same number that Astronaut Tommy is on and then split tap it. 0. 1. 2. 3.
So I found the buttons on the bottom, 0, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to split tap.
3. Selected. Good job. Split tap the next button for the final stage of the tutorial. Back. Next. Button. Finish. Congratulations. To continue, split tap the next button. If you want to go to 2 other levels or redo the tutorial, 2 buttons have been added on the top, left-hand side of the screen.
Okay, so I'm going to finish.
Button. Submit. Where's Astronaut Tommy?
So this is the first level. That what we've just done was the tutorial. Now we're going to get into the game, and the game asks, what is Astronaut Tommy? Where is Astronaut Tommy? So now I know I'm going to slide down the left.
Tick. 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 Astronaut Tommy.
Okay, I'm going to drag
Tick.
down.
3.
Oh, he's on 3, so now I'm going to find
1, 2, 3.
at the buttons on the bottom. I'm going to find 3. I'm going to
3.
split tap.
Selected. Submit.
And I'm going to submit in the bottom right-hand corner.
Congrats.
And I'm going to
Close.
swipe, close, next.
Where's Astronaut Tommy?
I've gotten 3 again. These are random. They should have come up as another place.
Tick. 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 Astronaut Tommy. Tick. 3. 3. 3. Submit. Next.
There he is. So now he's on a different number, and I would have to go find him again.